Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will be discussing about how to add license or certification in LinkedIn. So now before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencer that will teach you how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now jumping back onto the video, the steps are going to be quite simple. So what you're going to do is simply head over to your profile from the left side of your screen. Once you are onto your profile, you can see we have this option popping up, add profile section. Click on that. We can see multiple drop downs in here: core, recommended, additional. The one we need is recommended. At the middle, drop down using this arrow key, and then you can see we have this option of add licenses and certifications. Once you click on that, simply fill in these details, add your skills, media, like for example your images, documents, or presentations. Once you add them in here, click on save, and eventually your certification would be added onto your profile that could be accessed by anyone. So that is how you can do it now. And before we get to the end, do not forget to get 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you guys around in the next video.